Hello, Bosse is working on in his home office now. Yeah. I'm working for Tina Diary. Yeah. So working from my home, from my basement. Yeah. And in my coffee break, I just fly quadcopter, maybe helicopter in this little space. Yeah. So let's fly some drone. Yeah, let's try it. Quite stable. Oh, I did crash my quadcopter. You fans love some crashes, yeah. But my wife tells me, do not make some scratches in the room or furniture. Bosse can land too. Yeah. Some dust, yeah. Dust blower. In the regular office we have this person who can clean up for us guys. But in this room I use this quadcopter to blow the dust around. Yeah. Let's try to fly this Power Star X1 from WLtoys Indoor. It's a 3D shopper, 3D helicopter. Yeah, it's a small thing. It's many years since I tried it. Yeah, let's fly indoor. Helicopter indoor flying. What's the problem? Full name, full photo. This was fun. This was fast. Ooh. Try low dual rate. flying helicopter. Is that the roof? I don't know. Open country, I think. I think this is enough. Yeah. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more RC action soon.